Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased Cheerio.in reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video, as through this video I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Also, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that Cheerio.in offers wide range of bicycles such as super light bicycle, electric bicycle, folding bicycle and so forth. And guys, the price of these bicycles are too good to be true. But friends, I would suggest you that if you see a great deal online, it can be tempting to grab it right away. But first, protect your wallet by knowing whether it's a scam or legit website. So watch the video till end to know the authenticity of Cheerio.in. And guys, before proceeding further, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative video on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So on checkout page you can see that the available payment options are credit and debit cards, Google Pay, UPI, net banking, Paytm, wallets like PhonePe, free recharge, Paytm, Ola Money, Airtel Money, Jio Money and so forth. Friends, now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that the estimated shipping time along with shipping charges are directly stated. Here they have stated that customers will get their product within 5 to 7 business working days. And talking about the shipping charges, so guys, Cheerio.in charges 299 rupees for express shipping. Now let's have a look on refund and return policy. So guys, here we can see that their return policy lasts for 30 days of the receipt of the product. But guys, note that you can request to return the product only if the product delivered is damaged. And while talking about the refund procedure, so guys, here you will see that they have written that in case of COD refund, the payment will be made to the customer through NEFT. Guys, the point to note here is that Cheerio.in do not offer cash on delivery option. Still, here they have written that in case of COD refund, the payment will be made to the customers through NEFT. So it seems that the content over the website might be copied from some other website. Therefore, it becomes very crucial to check the content quality of this website. Guys, here we can see that 67% of the content, that is more than half of the content over this website, is copied from other websites. So it's a red flag. Now let's proceed to check the cancellation policy. So here we can see that you as a customer can cancel your order anytime up to the cutoff time of the slot for which you have placed your order by calling their customer service. So guys, now it becomes very important to know how to reach their customer care executives. Therefore, let's check the contact details. So here on the official website, you will see that company's address, its contact number and an email ID is provided, which is support@cheerio.in. Guys, here I would like to highlight that in my endeavor to cross-check the authenticity of the contact details, I discovered that the provided contact number is invalid. So again, it's a negative sign. And addition to this, guys, Cheerio.in lacks presence on social media platforms, which again is a red flag. Now, let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, Cheerio.in uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, HTTPS connection alone is not sufficient to consider a website as legit, therefore let's check the registration details. So guys, the domain name of this website was registered on 15th July 2021. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new and is not much popular among the people. Also guys, here we can see that the website is registered for just 1 year. Now let's talk on Cheerio.in reviews, because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor to identify the legitimacy of any website. So here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customer feedback. And as I said, it was registered just few days back, so over the internet I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the items offered here. So guys, closer look at Cheerio.in reveals red flags such as incorrect contact number, absurd return refund policy, lack of customer remarks, low Alexa rank, and lack of presence on social media platforms makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website or wait for a while till it gains popularity and positive feedback from some customers. Because guys, there is a high risk of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about Cheerio.in reviews. And apart from this friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below, because after all we are here to spread the awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.